Hiromi Higuruma is one of the most unique characters introduced during the Culling Game in Jujutsu Kaisen. Before becoming a sorcerer, Higuruma was a 36-year-old defense attorney. Unlike most lawyers, he chose to defend people who were wrongfully accused, even when the chances of winning were almost zero. In a system where convictions are nearly guaranteed, he still believed someone had to stand up for justice. But after years of seeing innocent clients declared guilty, something inside him began to break. His final case became his turning point. Despite overwhelming evidence proving his client's innocence, the court still ruled them guilty. At that moment, Higuruma's curse technique awakened. In a fit of despair and rage, he killed both the prosecutor and the judge. From that point on, he completely lost faith in the legal system. When the Culling Game began, Higuruma joined as a player. At first, he saw it as a new kind of justice, direct, immediate, and free from corruption. In just 12 days, he reached a level comparable to a Grade 1 sorcerer. He defeated over 20 players and accumulated more than 100 points. His rapid growth even impressed Sukuna. Higuruma's curse technique is directly tied to his domain expansion, called deadly sentencing. When activated, it creates a courtroom where violence is forbidden. Inside the domain, Higuruma acts as the prosecutor, his opponent becomes the defendant, and a Shikigami named Judgment oversees the trial. Both sides are allowed to make one statement before a verdict is delivered. If found guilty, the opponent can lose their cursed energy, their cursed technique, or receive the death penalty. If the death penalty is issued, Higuruma's gavel transforms into the executioner's sword. Outside his domain, Higuruma is still extremely dangerous. He can use reverse curse technique to heal injuries, domain amplification to neutralize enemy abilities, and advanced cursed energy control that rivals elite sorcerers. However, his fight with Yuji Itadori becomes a major turning point. After declaring Yuji guilty and removing his cursed energy, Higuruma witnesses Yuji willingly accepting responsibility for something he did not directly cause. This forces Higuruma to confront his own beliefs about justice and humanity. In the end, he chooses to use his points to help others in the Culling Game, signaling a return to his original values. Despite his strength and intelligence, Higuruma remains a conflicted character. He carries guilt for the lives he took and questions whether he deserves redemption. Hiromi Higuruma is not just a powerful sorcerer. He is a former lawyer whose cursed technique reflects his past, turning battle into judgment and combat into trial. And that is what makes him one of the most compelling modern sorcerers in Jujutsu Kaisen.